inside my weary mind, but strength within began to bloom, pushing back against the gloom. In that soul I'm rising up, fighting off the bitter cup, breathing deep, a joyful sound, leaving shadows on the ground. No more chains to hold